it.
Gotta be
so
kidding.
here we are. Thanks to a local driver, repo guy. He saw this car sitting back here, and we grabbed the cameras, came out here, and this is serial number 2 Hellcat. Shit. Let me see if the key works. I can't believe it. I had the key still in the desk. Well, the insurance already paid.
It's got the
How long has it been gone? Oh, the lights came on. It unlocked.
Alright, that's rad.
Oh,
Hey,
God.
Don't touch anything inside, dude.
Let PD
Open it
come.
up, but don't touch anything inside. My fingerprints are fingerprints. I own the car. Nobody else touched the
Hey,
car.
Richard, how long has it been missing?
I don't even remember for sure. 8-9 months?
Yeah, it's been a bit.
It's been a bit.
We thought it was done chopped
It
up.
smells like a lot of ganja in here.
Not familiar with this.
Well, here's the pissy part. If you're familiar with this story, guys and gals, there was a really, really important photo of Sinjin and Sue in the back seat, and it's not there.
Oh, no way, dude.
I wonder if it'll start. I think it's out. I think it's out of gas. Woo!
This thing smells like a bomb in there.
Oh my God. You can get high in there, man.
Surprised the interior's not green.
I don't believe that those large baggies in this.
Wow. Oh, is that a new battery?
There is a new battery back there, and a set of sockets like they broke down.
Oh my God. Let's throw the Ziploc bags in there. Look at them all. Oh, yeah. You might want to call PD there.
I do need to call PD.
Go ahead and call PD, have them around. Call Dallas where you filed it, and then they'll contact Grand Prairie and they'll come out here and meet you.
I got Daphne on it right now.
Good deal.
I got him on it.
And don't touch anything in the car because that'll mess up fingerprints.
Well, it won't start, so I don't really care anymore, and the picture's not in there.
Can't really blame him. I mean, it's not the fastest getaway car you're going to get, right?
I don't see. I mean, there's a scratch back here.
Well, the front's all messed up.
What's wrong with the front? Okay, yeah.
The lower.
They hit something bad. Jumped a curb or something.
All the coolers down and it's stoked in underneath the scrapes. I think they jumped something. I think you're right.
Yeah.
If you look underneath, you can see it.
Oh yeah.
They had some fun.
And it's got the telltale marks here.
Well, that's what I'm wondering how they got away with that, because they didn't have the red key. I had it.
Hey, they actually took off. Look at the fender. The wheels. Oh yeah, look at that.
Where it's landed.
Yep. See the dent right where your hand is?
One there and one up there.
Look, and further down, you can see where it dents in.
I
underneath
ripped the
Hellcat.
entire fender shroud.
Yeah,
out of it.
this thing's been able.
Look at that. They pulled the tags and they pulled the sticker.
Yeah, but they were still using your toll. You could probably trace. I can't believe they can't trace where
That's
that
crazy,
was.
right?
Yeah, if they went on toll roads.
I mean, dude, we're right here next to a brand new hotel. We're in a business development. Who lets this car just sit here without calling somebody?
Right. That's a little fishy.
The rotors are rusted over. It looks like it's got to be sitting here for a couple of months.
Yeah, but wouldn't the battery be dead? Bless you.
It's all that weed, dude. I'm not used to it.
This side's covered in rubber.
It is.
The arch line is dripping with rubber. They're having fun.
Looks like they did enough donuts down there.
Yeah, circles down there. It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Well, you got it back.
Well, I don't have it back yet.
Well, you know
I don't
what?
know how this works, because the insurance company gave me some money for it, but nowhere near what I thought it was worth. And then it's got to go to PD and get fingerprinted. And
Yeah, but this is something you never thought you'd see.
I figured it was chopped up.
Man. Just want to take care of Larry and show everybody your man of your word.
Yeah. Well, hold on. I got it. Hey, man. I appreciate it. That's super badass. You know what? We put out a reward, and the reward we get. Oh, hell, that's good enough. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, Larry, thanks for getting our buddy's car back.
Appreciate it, man. Be safe
Thank
out
you.
there.
Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.
Yeah, cool.
Doing my job.
Damn. Good Samaritan, doing good things.
Yeah.
But he's also a hustler, if you think about it. He's like, hey, I'll just run that VIN number and see if this thing's, needs to be reposed to the bank.
We had the full side
said, it's surprising that nobody else did that.
Yeah, but for how long, man? I mean, if they're gonna have to run it through crime scene, they're gonna have to run it through everything.
Hopefully there's no drug dogs running out here. That's going crazy the way that smells.
I think I got contact high. Unbelievable, man.
I think you did too, because you didn't count that money before you gave it to him.
Who cares, man? You did a good job.
Hey, tell him you're hungry and exit.
What?
Tell him you're hungry. You should be like, I'm hungry, and walk
Yeah,
away.
so in case you guys don't know, turn the live feeds around. We were actually at work working, and the call came in, and I was afraid that somebody would tip them off that we were coming after the car, whatever. I didn't know how long it had been sitting here or that it wouldn't start. And I'm like, we got to go now. And since we're filming every day at the shop, and I've always got a live officer there when we're open, we grab McLovin and tuck off, and actually you're going to be able to film the whole thing. So pretty badass. And there's no guns, and nobody's shooting, so that's a plus. Or it could be a minus. It could have been fun.
Also,
Been shot before. It doesn't matter.
never give up hope.
Golly, I just wish that photo.
Yeah.
Super kick ass. So pay attention as the story keeps going, guys and gals. Fast and Loud, going to be back on in July. Can't tell you the real date right yet, but it's going to be a long run. A lot of episodes. Some of the best cars we've ever made. Always do the right thing when you come into a situation like this. Larry did us right. He called, he checked it, he made sure that we got here, and we recovered a very significant, important piece of automotive history here. So I'm excited about that, and there you go. Kick ass. Time to have a cold beer and wait on the coppers.
Mobile control center.